Hey, this is Queen V or Victoria. I wanted to tell y'all something. So I moved my money from my savings account. Let me tell you what I did. I took $300 out of my savings and I put it in a crypto account. I'm outside and I see these motorcycles passing by. Great timing. So I took $300 out of my savings and I placed it in a different type of account. It's a cryptocurrency account. That was in January. So in January, I took $300 from my savings and I placed it in a crypto account. That account now is at $2,000, over $2,000. Okay. So what I did was took another $1,000 out of my savings. I put that in a crypto account. That was like maybe a few weeks ago. That account is at over $3,000. So guys, look, ladies and gentlemen, look at this. Wake up. The world is gonna be shifting. It's already shifting in a different place. And so during the shift, in between is when you have the opportunity to capitalize on making more money. And so don't be blind to this. We're going into new places, and to start from the beginning is a great place to be. And so what I said is I took $300 out of my savings, put it in a crypto account. It is now at over $2,000. That was in January. Okay. And I took some more money. I took $1,000 out of my savings, put that in a crypto account. That account is now at over $3,000. Okay. One of my friends said, hey, Queen, I want to put $5,000. He put $5,000 in that account. Right now is at $16,000. Okay. So wake up, people. I mean, you got to start thinking for the future. Don't just think for now. Think in the future. Wealthy people, they make decisions based on where the world is going. Okay. So you can't just make decisions based on what's happening now. You got to look ahead. That's why wealthy people become wealthier, because they look ahead and they make decisions based on what's going to happen in the future. So you know what? I feel like I'm in a great place right now, and you can be too, because where I am, everyone wins. Okay? Everyone wins where I am. If you want some questions, you have more questions, you can visit my website at finallyprosperity.com, or you can just send me an inbox. All right, I'm about to get out of here. Bye.